Hello everyone, Ollie here with another review, and this time we have the Vsavi Pro Series 3 vape kit, a reliable and user-friendly device that suits both beginners and experienced vapers alike. We're going to unbox this kit and show you everything that you need to know. Let's get straight into opening this kit up. The packaging, just like the device inside, is very sleek. However, the device is not the only thing you get, so let's go over everything. First off, you get a micro USB cable that charges the vape rapidly. You also get a detailed but easy to follow instruction manual with instructions on how to use the device. We'll be going through the setup later on in the video. And of course, you get the device itself, boasting a sleek and modern pen design. The vape is equipped with a great battery and a magnetic top-filling e-liquid tank, meaning that it is practically leak-proof. As you can see, there is just a single button on this device, making it very easy to use. Here's everything outside the box. Now, let me show you how to set up the vape so we can start using it. To fill up the tank, we must take it out from the top of the vape. Filling it up is simple. All we need to do is unscrew the mouthpiece and pick our favourite e-liquid to use. Keep in mind that higher PG liquids are better for a smoother intake for a mouth-to-lung vape. I chose Vsavi's red flavour as it works great in this device. Drop your liquid into the tank, but make sure to not drop it in the middle hole. The tank holds 1.8 milliliters of juice, so fill it up so that the tank is decently full, making sure that the wicks inside are fully coated. All that is left to do is to simply screw the mouthpiece back onto the tank. And then drop the tank into the device, lining up the symbol with the divot. Now that we've left our liquid to soak into the tank for 10 to 15 minutes, we can now turn it on and use it. It only takes 5 clicks of the button to turn on the device, and a simple button press whilst pulling it to use. Once you're finished using it, click the button 5 times to turn it off. We've gone through the setup and I've had some time to use this device. What are my thoughts? The performance of this device is absolutely brilliant, as it delivers a consistently satisfying throat hit with some great vapor clouds too. As it's easy to use and also fill up, the experience I've had with this vape has been completely stress-free. Perfect for vapors who are on the go or just need something more simplistic. Its sleek design, excellent performance and easy to use controls make it a standout option in the ever-growing vape market. If you enjoyed this video and want to be kept up to date in the world of vaping, make sure to follow this channel and then leave a like on this video. Until next time.